In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva Magic Write. This allows you to enter or describe the text you want to generate. So as you can see here on the screen, I have a blank page, and I'm going to be applying Canva Magic Write to create some facts about how to make money online. Okay. Now, once you have your page, make sure it's selected. And on the bottom here, you're going to see this little magic button here. This is the Canva Assistant. Okay. Now, if you don't have this, go ahead and click the / on your keyboard and it's going to appear, right? Or you can just click on this right here if you have it, and you're going to see something that looks like this. It allows you to search throughout Canva. Okay. Now, if you go in here, you see that we already have Magic Write here, which is already selected. Or if you don't have it here, you can scroll down, or you can search right here. So you can say Magic. You can see that it's going to be up here. Okay. I'm going to click on Magic Write, and what it's going to ask me is to use 5 or more words to describe what I want to write. Okay. So you can say something like, actually, let me go back here. Let's select our page again. Accidentally did Control Z. I'm gonna go ahead and select Magic Write. All right, let's say how to make money online. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter, generate, and there you go. Right, you can see that it's generated some text that we have here, right? So you can see that it's describing everything that you can do to make money online, become a freelance writer, designer, programmer, services like Upwork, Fiverr, and one of the cool things you could do here is, let's say I was writing something here, so I can say, let's say I say how to publish a book on Amazon. Okay. Now, the cool thing you can do here is you can actually select this text here, and you can go over to your Magic Write, which is going to be over here, and you want to go ahead and you're going to see the options that you have here. You have summarize text, expand text, rewrite, edit with Magic Write. So the first part is going to summarize this, right? So you can click summarize and give it a second. It's going to summarize here. Now, as you can see here, it kind of like lists it out in a nice way, right? You're going to be able to follow this through here. Pretty nice here. Now, another thing you do here is, I'm going to go ahead and do Control Z here. Select my text. I'm going to go back to my magic button here. You can also expand a text here. So if I hit expand text, you can see that here, this is a lot nicer here. Okay. You went ahead and expanded my point on how to publish a book on Amazon. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete this here. I'm going to do one more, the other option that's on here. I'm going to go ahead and go to my Magic Assistant. The next one is going to be rewrite. Okay. Give it a second here. And you can see that this is a lot nicer. Guide to publishing your book on Amazon. Now, another one here, the last option is going to be going over to edit with Magic Write. So click on that and generate. And there you go. So this is going to be the default when, it's going to edit everything, even the title on the top, as well as adding some bullet points here on the bottom. Okay. So Magic Write is an awesome tool. It uses AI to generate a bunch of text for you. If you just have one idea and you want to expand on that idea, or maybe you just want to edit some of the things you put on the screen, this is going to be the way to do it. So that is pretty much it for this lesson. I'll see you guys on the next one.